And I'm telling those in UPC, if you're going to be campaigning for Museveni, I'm coming for you. I am. You're either with me or you're against me. Simple.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel.
I said, if you want to vote for any of the 7, please go ahead. I have no difficulty with you voting for the 7, but I insist, do not vote for Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Now, there are those who said, despite all of that one, they cannot vote for the 7. I said, now, if you cannot vote for the 7, you take your ballot paper and write the name Akena. Put Akena on the ballot. They have refused to put my picture. They have refused to put me there. You write my name there. That is my message to my voters. Yoweri, no. All circumstances, Yoweri, no. The rest, feel free. If you can't, write Akena. Is there any ambiguity here? It is very straightforward, very clear. It's very clear. Notes. At the end of the day, Electoral Commission must declare the number of spoiled ballot. There will be a general average which you can find over the number of years. On average, an election, you get such percentage as a spoiled ballot. If, for example, you say maybe 5% is a spoiled ballot, 3% is a spoiled ballot, anything above 3%, that's Akena's vote. Anything above 3% will be Akena's vote. If the 10% spoiled ballots, you know Akena has 7% of the vote. So you can still do your mathematics. Whether I am actually on, you still know that does Akena have influence? Is Akena able to drive the force? Is Akena able to speak to people and people listen to him? Or Akena is just talking, wah, as others want to go to place and open their mouths and think they can make sense of things which they don't understand. We're going to meet on the ground. January 15th is not far. And I'm telling those in UPC, if you're going to be campaigning for Museveni, I'm coming for you. I am. You're either with me or you're against me. Simple. Black, white, no halfway. For 2026, there's no halfway. You define your position, we'll sort it out. January 16th, yes, we can have a drink. But 15th, watch out. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.